In today's job market, finding and keeping talented people is crucial. Companies need to create a positive experience for their employees. This is called the employee journey. It includes everything from the moment someone first hears about your company to the day they leave. A good employee journey makes people want to work for you. It also makes them want to stay. When employees feel valued, they are more engaged. This means they are more productive and provide better customer service. A positive employee journey benefits everyone. The company performs better, and employees are happier. This creates a win-win situation for everyone involved. By understanding the different stages of the employee journey, companies can create a workplace where people thrive. This essay will explore each stage of the employee journey and offer strategies for making it the best it can be. The employee lifecycle is a journey with distinct stages. Each stage presents unique opportunities to create a positive experience. The first stage is attracting. This is about making your company attractive to potential hires. You need to build a strong employer brand. Next is hiring, finding the right people efficiently. Onboarding helps new hires adjust to their roles. Performing is where employees carry out their work. Provide support and opportunities for growth. Finally, manage employee exits gracefully. Every stage is crucial for a positive experience. Attracting the best talent starts with building a strong employer brand. Your company's website, social media presence, and job postings should all reflect your values and culture. Be authentic and highlight what makes your company a great place to work. During the hiring process, make it easy for candidates to apply. Use clear and concise job descriptions that accurately reflect the role. Be transparent about your expectations and the company culture. Consider using innovative recruiting methods to reach a wider pool of candidates. This could include attending industry events, using social media platforms, or partnering with universities. Once you've identified potential candidates, communicate with them promptly and respectfully throughout the hiring process. Provide regular updates and feedback to keep candidates engaged. The hiring process is an opportunity to showcase your company culture. Make it positive and memorable for everyone involved, even those who are not ultimately hired. Onboarding is crucial for setting new hires up for success. A well-structured onboarding program helps new employees feel welcome and understand their roles. Start the onboarding process before the employee's first day. Send a welcome email with information about the company and what to expect. On their first day, give new hires a tour and introduce them to their team. Assign a mentor or buddy to help them navigate the company culture. Provide clear expectations for their role and performance goals. Regular check-ins can help identify challenges and provide support. Employees are more engaged and motivated when they have opportunities to grow and develop their skills. Provide regular feedback and performance reviews to help employees understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Offer opportunities for professional development, such as training programs, workshops, and conferences. Encourage employees to pursue certifications or advanced degrees that align with their career goals. Create a culture of continuous learning by providing access to online resources, industry publications, and mentorship programs. Encourage employees to share their knowledge and expertise with their colleagues. Support employees in their career aspirations within the company. Provide clear career paths and opportunities for advancement. Encourage internal mobility and provide support for employees who want to explore different roles within the organization. The departing stage of the employee life cycle is often overlooked, but it's crucial for maintaining a positive employer brand. When an employee leaves, whether voluntarily or involuntarily, handle their departure with respect and professionalism. Conduct exit interviews to understand the reasons for their departure. This valuable feedback can help you identify areas for improvement in your employee experience. Provide support to departing employees during the transition period. Offer outplacement services such as resume writing assistance and job search strategies. Stay connected with former employees through alumni networks or social media groups. This can help maintain relationships and potentially attract former employees back to the company in the future. Remember that departing employees can be valuable brand ambassadors. A positive exit experience can lead to positive reviews on job sites and social media. It can also make it easier to attract top talent in the future.